Hi everyone, and welcome back to the next diecast. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this 1/18 scale BMW M6 convertible made by Paragon. I found that on Amazon for only $60. It usually goes for around $100 and something, but they've been going for pretty cheaply recently, all these Paragon models. So we're going to go ahead and open them up. And there's our model right there. It looks really cool. I got it in the orange because I like the orange. BMW M6 convertible. Love this color. It looks awesome. Got a BMW logo up here. Just some stuff on the bottom here. Oh, that's weird. It's got a price tag for an M4 convertible, but this is the M6. That's interesting. I guess that's a licensed by BMW sticker right there. Kind of cool. I guess this just pulls out. Well, that was simple enough. Oh, it's got an M on the base there too. That's really cool. So far, it looks like a really, really nice model, especially for $60. We'll flip over the bottom, or we'll turn it on its side. See what we got down here. Okay, there's 4 screws, so we'll go ahead and unscrew those next. All right, got the model off the base, and here it is. Looks really nice. Just got to take off these bands on here. Looks like the doors are actually hooked shut. You see that little hook there? Never seen that before. We'll go ahead and open that up next, or take those off next. And here's our model, the BMW M6 made by Paragon. Can't wait to do a review on this model. Thanks for watching.